Protests rock Lagos again as students demand justice for colleague killed by policeman. Nigerian students have stormed the premises of Lagos State Judicial Investigation Group to protest against the murder of journalist Pelumi Onifade, who was killed by police officers belonging to the Lagos State Task Force. Onifade, a 200-level-old student in the History Department of the Tai Solarin University of Education, Ijegun, Ogun State, reported on 24th October as an intern for Gbo TV on the crisis between the police and some thugs when he was arrested by the task force team in Okuoba, Agege, Lagos. He was later found dead in a morgue in Ikorodu after 35 kilometers from his arrest. His colleagues protesting his death said that the police team led by Yinka Gbeyemi should be released immediately and brought before a competent court for murder. Pelumi was arrested and the task force kept him away from his people. After a few days, Egbeyemi called us for a meeting and the task force asked us to search a morgue in Ikorodu where he had found Pelumi's body, said Shoneye Abdulaziz, president of TASWED Student Union, speaking on behalf of the protesting students. He added, the Nigerian state knew that Pelumi had the records of the shooting and the illegality they committed. They had to kill him to cover their tracks. The students also called on the state government to dissolve the task force as it had become notorious for carrying out indiscriminate arrests, illegal detentions, and killings of citizens. Onifade's family is demanding justice from the government of Lagos State, the Inspector General of the Police and the State Police Commissioner for the murder of their son. The deceased uncle called for an investigation into the circumstances of his death and urged the prosecution of the police officer involved in the murder of Onifade. During today's meeting, the Judicial Committee, as previously reported, reproduced the video footage of the shooting of Lekki on 20th October. Doris Okuwobi, the chairman of the committee, authorized the reproduction of the image after hearing the lawyers. Recall that earlier this week, Abayomi Omomuwashi, the CEO of LCC, said that the security cameras set up by the company had stopped recording so that the footage of the soldiers being shot by EndSARS protesters on Tuesday, 20th October was no longer recorded. He made this statement on Tuesday when he presented the video footage of the incident to the Lagos State Investigation and Restitution Group, which is investigating allegations of brutality and killings by SARS men, as well as the shooting of soldiers at the Lekki toll gate, which, according to witnesses, killed 15 protesters and left dozens injured. According to Omomuwashi, on the night of the shooting, the camera stopped working from 8 p.m. and added that they had been tampered with. Several reports indicate that the shooting began at around 19:00. I can confirm that the video that our surveillance camera was able to record for 20 October is in here, he said. Omomuwashi said that the surveillance cameras are called PTZs, where P allows the camera to pan, T allows the camera to tilt, and Z allows the camera to zoom. I can categorically confirm that we have never ever tampered with this surveillance camera. Therefore, we can still get the picture until 8 o'clock when it was tampered with and we couldn't get any more footage, he said. The court committee had visited the Tollgate station where the CCL assured him that the recording from our closed-circuit television CCTV system was intact on the night of the incident. The company had also stated that the power failure on the night of the shooting was due to the fact that staffs had been removed from their office. Therefore, they were unable to switch on the emergency generator when the power failed. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, see, the next security force that need to be called to order with immediate effect is the task force. Because you see, these task force officials, they are the next dangerous force we are now experiencing in Nigeria, not only in Lagos State, in Nigeria as a whole. You really need to see what they are putting up on the street, the attitude they are putting up on the street. You need to see how they attack traders on the street when come out for raiding. In fact, these ones, the moment they get on the street, instead of them to at least go close to see the people, to see where people that are defaulting, to go close and see if the people are truly defaulting. From where they step their foot, that is where they will start operation. And the next thing you will see them do is to open the tear gas, and everyone will start running helter-skelter. You can imagine. I was on the street one day to get something, Before you know it, I saw people on their legs, everyone running helter-skelter, scampering for safety. I was like, what is chasing people? Let me have a look at. It was the task force. They refused to come close to where they're supposed to start operation. The next thing you see these people is they have released a gunshot on the air. Tua. Tell me, for what reason? For what reason? So the people they need to call to order is this task force. They need to call them to order because they are overdoing. Okay, now you see how this innocent student of the university was murdered. For what reason? And why? Reasons not properly justified. Only to discover the dead body of this young man in another place. Can you imagine? Is that not strange to you? If it is not, it is to me. My viewers, what is your take? Deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.